If someone gives you £10,000 right now, would you put it into stocks or buy property? But most people get this completely wrong and maybe lost of years financial progress. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where your money should go and why. I'm Frank, and welcome to Franck Invest. Now, before we dive in, let me be real with you. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here because when I first started investing, nobody broke this down in a simple and honest way. I had to learn the hard way. On this channel, Franck Invest, we keep things simple, beginner friendly, and straight to the point. No fluff, no jargon. We talk about building real wealth. Here why actually this decision matters. The average person will earn 1 million in their lifetime, but most will retire with almost nothing. Why? Because they either never invested or put their money in the wrong place at the wrong time. Stocks and property are both powerful, but choosing the wrong one for your situation will define the difference between financial freedom or financial stress. So let's break it down properly. Let's start with property. Property feels safe, right? You can see it, touch it, rent it out. In the UK, property prices has historically gone up over time. Rental income can give you a monthly cash flow every month. That feels amazing. But, this is a big but. Sometimes you need a large upfront deposit. 20,000, 30,000, maybe more. All depend on the price of the property that you will purchase. You've got mortgage stress, difficult tenant, maintenance cost, and sometimes can take months to sell if you need fast cash. Property is powerful, but it's not easy for someone who's starting out. Now, let's talk stocks, especially index funds like the S&P 500. You can start as little as £1. No maintenance, no tenants, no mortgage. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned 10% on average every year. But this is a long-term investing. You can invest monthly, set up direct debit, and leave the compound machine do the heavy lifting for you. So if you panic sell during the dip, you will lose. So try not to lose your money. The downside, the market goes up, down, up, down. But if you stay consistent and patient, the market will reward you. So which one wins? Honestly, it depends where you are in your journey. If you are a beginner with limited capital, stocks and index funds will be your best starting point. If you have already built a solid investment portfolio and have large deposits saved, property can be a powerful next step. The smartest investors, they do both eventually. So here, what I want you to do right now. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. That will help the channel to grow and also be shared to more people just like you. Subscribe to Franck Invest so you never miss a video, and join me so we can build wealth together by investing in the stock market. Please comment below stocks or property. I would love to know where you stand. See my next 2 videos and see you in the next one.